What is up, folks? Welcome back to another episode of Whatever I Got For You. And today we got the old wheel at start on this old Toro lawnmower. It was sitting at my dad's for a number of years, just chilling there. And he got a new mower. And I was like, well, I need a shitty ass mower to, mow my lawn because it's getting a little overgrown right now. So we're going to try to get this thing fired up today. Hopefully it will fire right up. I doubt it, but we'll see what we have to get into. So let me get the camera set up here and we'll get started on it. First things first, we got to check the old Earl in her, make sure she's good to go. Whoa, looks to me like it's a little over full. Well, that's good. No, it's right on the money. Still looks pretty clean too. The primer ball looks a little rotten, so I don't know. But like I said, I think we're just gonna throw some gas in it and see if it goes. Oh my. Let's see here. Alright, let me get some fuel. Put a little bit in there for now. Will she go? Will she go all the way? I wonder if this primer ball is going to do anything. It's probably going to split in two right now. Oh, I see some fuel. All right, folks, here we go. Woo! She fired right up. Hell yeah. That's it, folks. We'll get the air cleaner back on it and we'll head to the grass and do a little bit of mowing. It wouldn't shut off, so I don't know what's up with that. I gotta check that out. And I think the float is I think the float is sticking as well because she's dripping fuel. So let's take a look at that. All right, we're gonna go ahead and see if it's gonna mow now. It probably won't start now. Oh, that's too bad. folks, that's it. The yard is mowed, and that's it. That's all it took to get her fired up. So just let me remind you guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and we'll see you guys here in the next episode of whatever I got for you. Peace out.